Number 33. Which statement is correct? Let's have a look at option A. Discontinuous variation is mainly caused by environmental factors. Nope. So discontinuous variations are actually caused by genetic factors. So let's say the example of the discontinuous variation is like blood type. Okay. So even if you change the even if you change the environmental factors, it's not going to cause a change in your blood type, right? Let's say you're blood type A, but it's not going to change. I mean, even if you're like placed in a remote area, you're not going to change your blood type to B or A, AB or O. So it doesn't make any sense, right? So A is not correct. Ionizing radiation and some chemicals decrease the rate of mutation. No, it increases the rate of mutation. Like the radiation and chemicals, like mutagenic chemicals, can increase the rate of mutation. So B is not the answer. C, a gene mutation is a change in base sequence. Yes, this is correct. The term mutation is a random change in base sequence of DNA or genes. So C is correct. D is not. Small variations in height within a human population are an example of continuous variation. So continuous variation means the variations that can be expressed in numbers, and that has a lot of intermediates. Okay, intermediate values in between. So height can be expressed in terms of numbers. So D is not the answer for this one. Okay.